The solar system.
This is the solar system.
Our solar system has 8 planets which orbit the Sun. And there is also a dwarf planet called Pluto.
In order of distance from the Sun they are: Mercury.
Mercury spins slowly compared to Earth. This planet takes 59 Earth days to make one full rotation.
Venus.
This planet is extremely hot. Venus spins in the opposite direction of Earth and most other planets.
Earth.
This is our home planet. This is the 5th largest planet in our solar system.
Mars.
Mars is a dynamic planet with seasons, polar ice caps, canyons, and extinct volcanoes.
Jupiter.
It is the biggest planet in our solar system. It has 80 moons. A year on Jupiter is the same as 11.8 Earth years.
Saturn.
This planet has rings. It has a moon bigger than Mercury.
Uranus.
This is the coldest planet in the solar system.
Neptune.
This is a gas and ice giant.
Pluto.
Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Pluto is only about 1,400 miles wide and takes 248 years to complete one circuit around the Sun.